Hi everyone, hope you all had a great 3-day weekend and were able to get away from the computer screen and some homework. I know I did and got outside and enjoyed the nice weather. So, time to refocus back in. You might be confused because there are two folders open today. So, they're both about character and you're going to have the opportunity to go through today's, turn in your assignment, and then just start tomorrow's. Okay, because they relate to one another and I would highly suggest just knocking them both out of the way. And then tomorrow you won't have any homework. So I will take you through today's page quickly. So you're listening to this video as I'm explaining the expectations for today and tomorrow. I'm going to go through the character slides very quickly, and then task 2 here is very, very important. Okay, you're going to watch Miss Egan's video on how to complete today's assignment. So you have to go to a website and make an account, do a survey, and then find some results at the end. And they're in a pretty tricky spot. So watching her video is going to be the most important thing that you do today. Once you're done with that, you're going to complete the survey that she's teaching you how to do. And it's in the PowerPoint as well. And then Miss Egan explained it all, but you're going to take screenshots. You're going to upload that to Schoology by midnight tonight. Okay, so although you have today and tomorrow to do these two assignments, okay, this one is due tonight at midnight. All right, we're just trying to keep you on task here. So if you're watching this video, good job. Task 2, very important. Watch her video on how to complete today's assignment. It's about a 5-minute video. She's going to take you step by step through it, so you should be able to complete it with her. Okay, then we're going to go through this PowerPoint that I'm about to take you through quickly, and then you'll be able to take this survey right here. Okay, I have the link for you and everything, so we put it in a few different spots, so hopefully you can figure it out. And then again, you're going to upload your screenshot results, which you will find out what those are in Miss Egan's video, and submit it tonight by midnight. Okay, so down here at the bottom we have the PowerPoint that we're about to go through. We have this character survey directions PDF that you can use as a resource after watching Miss Egan's video. And then we have the character survey screenshot results submission tab. So this is where your screenshots are going to go once you're done with those. Okay, so quickly we're going to go through this PowerPoint here. So character, what is it, why does it matter, and how is it built? All right. So how would you define character? The mental and moral qualities distinctive to an individual. So I know that's kind of a lot of words right there, so we're going to dissect it a little deeper. So it's the difference between what's the difference between reputation and character? Well, reputation is who people think you are, and character is who you really are. Okay, so reputation is all about how people perceive you and what you put out there, but character is who you really are when no one's looking, right? I think we've all heard that before. All right, on here there is a 8-minute video. This is very important that you watch this because this is where you're going to get the most content from the character lesson. Okay, so watch this video. It's called The Science of Character and the List of Character Traits that Scientists Have Created. So this is going to explain all the character results that you're about to get in this survey that you're taking. So very, very important that you watch this video. Okay, so top 20s, make choices that build star quality character traits, and decisions today build character for your future tomorrow. So again, watch that video. These will make more sense to you after you do that. And then you're going to watch Miss Egan's video to help you with this. So you're going to take this character strength survey. It's about 90 questions. I know that's scary, but it literally only takes 10 minutes. Make sure you go with your initial response. Okay, don't overthink it. Don't go back and forth, back and forth. If you think this, just click on it. Okay, and then do your best to not do the middle ones. Okay, if you go in the middle, it's not going to make your results very personal to you. It's going to be super vague. Okay, so even if you're not proud of it, it's okay. All right, make sure you pick what's honest, what's truthful. Then you're going to screenshot your results and turn it in for today's assignment, because tomorrow we're going to dig into the character strengths and how you can grow the character traits that you want to. So you are going to need today's screenshots for tomorrow's assignment. All right.